catches to be taken. There were fielders who spread across the field, making sure that things are falling in place. They made sure that we get the best of the opportunity to make sure that they carry on with their cricketing careers. We've seen dropped catches between fantastic catches. We've seen boundaries been saved. We've seen bowls been done. We've seen cuts been taken, run outs, stumping, everything possibly what we can ask for on a finale. Mind you, this is the first NMPL, Navi Mumbai Premier League, which was been designed, designated and done by CRL management. I sincerely and from the bottom of my heart thank the CRL management team for the wonderful tournament organized. It is very hard to believe that this is the first time that they are organizing this. Mind you, they have also gone ahead looking at the kind of response they have got. They want to take it a little step forward. Not only that, they are going to start the second edition from 2nd January 2022, and they're looking forward for more participation on this front. I would now request Mr. Rajesh Dubey to be present at the dais and let us know something more about the NMPL Part 2.
Thanks, Nilesh. Good evening, Navi Mumbai. Good morning, good afternoon for all our international viewers. I'm here after an amazing battle between Kharghar Kings and Ocean 11. We have a winner, Ocean 11, who had a rough tournament throughout, but they have come out with an emerging, or I would say the champions of this Navi Mumbai Premier League Season 1. And I would like to congratulate Ocean 11, and also I feel a little sad for Kharghar Kings because throughout the tournament they were one of the teams who were consistently playing well, but of course the day was not for them today, and they end up being a runners-up team. I would also cricket is not just a game for us, it is a source of entertainment, and I would like to also thank all the 8 team members who went hard. Despite being a scorching heat, humidity, they put their all in, and we were able to complete this tournament within a time despite COVID crisis. And we are here to end this tournament with a banging, where Ocean 11s have emerged as a team amongst the 8 who have crossed. So I would like to again congratulate the team, and I'll not take too much of a time here, and I would like to take this opportunity to start the presentation ceremony, where I would like to give a small acknowledgement or recognition to the players who have contributed and emerged as an amateur cricketer throughout the tournament, and would like to congratulate and give some kind of a memento for them. So I would call Nilesh as well alongside, and the owner of Navi Mumbai Ninjas, Mr. Amir, to give away the first award for today. Just to start off, man of the match for today's game is none other than an all-rounder, a left-arm spinner, Rajneesh Sharma. Hi Raju, I would like to have views about your journey as well as your team, how you guys played throughout the tournament. In short, I will not take much of a time, but I would like to have your views on that.
In the beginning, everybody know that we were the very good team on paper, but players were not clicking. So we really worked hard. We बहुत हमने मेहनत की है, प्रैक्टिस की है, साथ में मैचेस खेले हैं, देखा है, कर सकते हैं. ये एंड ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट जो था अपना लास्ट 5 मैचेस में हम सबको पता था हमारा रोल्स क्या है, तो उस हिसाब से हमने एग्जीक्यूट किया, एंड यू कैन सी वी आर द विनर्स नाउ.
Of course. I mean, the second half of the tournament, of course, went well for Ocean 11. I would also like to ask, I mean, throughout the tournament, I've seen Ocean 11 getting into the last groove and taking the game through the end. Is that a strategy or how you plan those kind of games? Because I've seen all the games, you have been on a winning side despite, but I mean, is it a strategy or how you guys
No,
plan?
that's a pressure.
Okay, the last question, since we are announced NMPL 2, so you will still continue playing for Ocean 11 or you will be switching the teams?
That we can see.
Okay, thanks, Rajnesh Sharma, the man of the match for today's game, a crucial game for Ocean 11. I would call another important game changer of today's match, final match, which goes to Mr. Jatin from Ocean 11. Just one question. How's the feeling now?
The joy is very high right now. The feeling is out of the world. The team has performed really well. The second leg was pretty challenging for us. We knew what we had to do, and team executed exactly what was needed from them. And we were there in the final, and then everything was there. So feels amazing.
Good, good. Congratulations and thank you for being part of this tournament. The next trophy is for the best batsman, which goes to Ritesh Shetty from BBMM, who has scored 570 runs with an average of 57 and strike rate of 122 in 14 innings. Unfortunately, he's not been available today, so we will. And the other one more award which he's being getting is for the maximum 50. So there are two awards for Ritesh Shetty from BBMM, best batsman and the maximum 50. Maximum 100, which goes to one of, and I would say a batsman who has been scoring consistently for Kharghar Kings and have been contributing in all the matches and taking his team to the finals. It's none other than Anuj Tiwari. He gets the maximum 100 award. Abhi de दूं? हाँ. Okay. Then we have best wicketkeeper for the tournament. It's Mukesh Patil from Ocean 11. He's a captain, है ना? Captain है ना वो. The best fielder for this tournament goes to Romit Gupta from BBMM. I would like to call Amir. I'd like to call Vaibhav Kadu to take this trophy on his behalf. Romit Gupta from Navi Mumbai Ninjas. Now comes, I would say this award is particularly for best bowler, and I would like to give a short description about this. He is a doctor by profession. Throughout the weekdays from Monday to Friday, he helps the society by going beyond his capacity and helping the patients to relieve from the pain. But during weekends, he gives pain to the opposition teams by taking his wickets. So it's Dr. Vinay Sangle, the best bowler of the tournament, Navi Mumbai Premier League, Season 1. I can see some hair work done for this. How are you feeling, doctor?
Yeah, I am feeling right now very well. and happy for the Ocean 11 who give a hard fight, and we be ready for next year because we coming hard.
That's amazing. That's a spirit. I mean, would like to have in NMPL 2 as well. What went wrong today? I mean, how you would analyze today's match? Because you guys have been consistently performing throughout the tournament, and today was just one rough day, which could have been in your favor.
Actually, one thing is going other wrong to us. We are scoring 136, but out of 136, Ocean 11 only chase 100, and we are giving 36 extra. This is the main element. But the way Rajnish Bhai stay on the wicket is the credit to them and take their team to the home.
Thank you, Doctor, and we look forward to see you in NMPL 2. Now, the most awaited award. The best catch. Best catch for the tournament goes to Rahul from Ocean 11. For next of the award ceremony, I would like to call Nilesh to take it from here. So the next award is Game Changer of the tournament. It goes to Abhijit Kandare from Ocean 11. Abhijit, would you like to share your views about the tournament, how the management had overall, I would say, given for this tournament, and what you would like to say a few words about this?
First of all, I would like to appreciate the entire team's effort that they have put, and no one was actually considering us to qualify even, and we just, you would say dark horses, you can say. So we just climbed up the ladder, and now you can see we are the winners here.
That's an amazing journey, I would say. Of course, from the start of the tournament, you guys were like, I would say not the bottom of the table, but you were nowhere close to qualifying the tournament. But now you had come back in the second half of the tournament and you have played like a champion. And today here you are, the result shows it. I mean, how you will describe this tournament? Because I know overall this tournament has been up to the potential, whatever we or organizers could have done it, but there were a few decisions which didn't went well for your team, and you guys had some reservations about it. But as a whole tournament, and considering the NMPL season 2 announced, so you would be participating in that tournament?
Definitely, I'll be a part of the same team as well, and the plan is to carry forward the team, and you can say we can be trying to be the champions as well for the next tournament as well.
Thanks Abhijit, and well done. I'd like to call Nilesh to take it forward from here.
Hello. Thank you so Hello. Thank you so much, Rajesh, for this. Again, I would thank you, Rajesh, for this wonderful presentation. Again, congratulations to everybody. Let me just give you my thoughts that it has been absolute fantastic journey as long as cricket is concerned. Because here, I would say cricket is a winner. Everybody has put in the best of the efforts, best of the foot forward, making sure not for the individual performance but for the team. Everybody has taken a back seat. Somebody has taken a front seat. Somebody has moved on. Somebody was a Rohit Sharma, somebody was an Ajaz in a team, just making sure that at the end of the day, cricket is a winner. I would look forward again for NMPL2. I'm sure that you have already started planning yourself for the NMPL2, which is going to start from 2nd of January 2022. Again, a round of applause I would like to have for CRL management for bringing this wonderful gesture, for bringing this wonderful platform for all our amateur cricketers, making sure that they get a wonderful platform, and this beams across the YouTube right across the globe, where everybody and anybody can have a good look at your potential. I would like to have Mr. Rajesh Dubey on the podium as the emerging player of this particular tournament. I would request him to be on the dais, please. So guys, a big round of applause for Rajesh. It's not a small feat to be an emerging player of this tournament. Rajesh, a few words. So you just had a few interviews done right now. On the other side, how do you feel now?
Of course, now I'm at the receiving end. Of course, I mean, we would. Hello? Yeah. Of course. Of course, I mean, being an emerging player, it feels good. But for us, as a team, throughout the tournament, we were like one of the team members who would be the possible qualifiers, playing qualifiers, and reaching out to the finals. But the last half of the game, especially last half of the tournament, we had few close games, but we didn't play to our potential, and we end up losing the eliminators and moving out of the tournament. So of course, we have our plans for NMPL2, and we'll bounce back, and we'll see how the NMPL2 tournament goes for us.
So having this said and done, you're here right here with the emerging player. What is the kind of message that you would like to send across to other team members in a manner or in a pattern where they can claim the next emerging player?
It's very simple. I mean, for all the I mean, this particular tournament is for an amateur cricketers. I mean, of course, we throughout the weeks we go for our jobs and we come back, and during weekends it's kind of an entertainment for us. But at the same time, it has become a competitive cricket as well, where team come and give their 100% and perform, and it's every individual who has to perform and give their best for the team, so that team can win, and of course, and individually he can also grow within this amateur circle which we are trying to target those audience.
Thank you so much for your Rajesh, for your views and thoughts. Congratulations again in that. It's a well job done, guys. Again, I would like to make sure that these messages are sent across not only within your team. Make sure that this message goes across to everybody and anybody who is like to put his foot forward, getting in those winning strides, right? The next award is the man of the series, or the most valuable player of this particular tournament. Looking at the overall performance in this particular tournament that is having, the overall selection points out to nobody else than, I would request Mr. Anuj Tiwari as to take this trophy from the dais. Mr. Anuj Tiwari, please, a round of applause. And तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए, तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So Anuj, you have been winning trophies like left, right, etc. almost all the departments. How do you feel? How do you prepare yourself for this?
First of all, thank you CRL, especially भारत भाई, जिन्होंने बहुत अच्छा, ये फर्स्ट टाइम टूर्नामेंट है और इतनी अच्छी तरह से ऑर्गेनाइज किया हुआ है. अजान भाई, अलकेश भाई, आमिर भाई, ये लोगों ने सबने बहुत अच्छी मेहनत की है, पूरा डेडिकेशन है. थैंकलेस जॉब है बट कर रहे हैं. सो थैंक यू इनके लिए एक बार. और अच्छा लग रहा है ऑफ कोर्स. ये विनिंग में होता तो ज्यादा अच्छा लगता था बट ऑफ कोर्स उन्होंने अच्छा खेला, दे प्लेड रियली वेल। हमारा आज दिन अच्छा नहीं था। ऑफ कोर्स जतिन का बॉलिंग बहुत क्रूशियल लेवल में आया और अच्छा और उसने डाला बॉलिंग, बट नेक्स्ट टाइम हम लोग और भी अच्छी तरह खेलेंगे और शायद हम विनिंग टीम में रहेंगे।
ये एक छोटा अवार्ड नहीं, बहुत बड़ी ट्रॉफी है आप लेकर जा रहे हैं यहाँ से। एक अच्छा मैसेज दिया है आपने अभी सबके लिए। आप खुद इस बारे में क्या चाहते, मतलब क्या आप चाहते हैं कि आपके शूज में कोई और आवे, तो उसके लिए उसको क्या करना जरूरी है?
ऑफ कोर्स चेंज जो है प्रकृति का नियम है, कोई भी यहाँ आ सकता है। हो सकता है कल अगली बार हमारी टीम विनिंग में हो और ये ट्रॉफी किसी और की हो। सो कोई भी आ सकता है। बहुत सारे ऐसे प्लेयर हैं जो दावेदार हैं, सब बहुत सारे अच्छे प्लेयर हैं यहाँ पे, कोई भी आ सकता है।
थैंक यू सो मच एंड ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर द फ्यूचर। I request the Khargar team to come on the dais and get their medals. It's for all the players. I request all the players from the Khargar team to come one after the other and take their winning and take their runner-ups medal. Guys, तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए. This is for cricket. These guys have also put in their efforts, the best of the efforts that you have seen on the field. This is nothing less than a winning trophy. It's a medal of appreciation for everybody. These guys have put in best of the efforts. Mind you that they are runner-ups, but nothing less than a winner. They have been the top team. They have put in their best efforts, and they have made sure that the tournament is a huge success. तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए, खुद के लिए, सबके लिए तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए। Guys, this is the runners-up trophy received by Ankesh Mishra, the runner-up captain. I request all the team members. I request the team members to be on the dais. I request all the team members to be on the dais to receive this runners-up trophy. This is a fantastic gesture, guys. This is fantastic. This is absolutely rocking. This should go down the memory lane. Make sure that everything is there. So this is the runners-up trophy received by Ankesh Mishra and his team members. We hopefully will be seeing you next year as winners. We expect you hope and hopefully deliver this and come up as runners-up. So few words. Bad day at office, I would say. एक खराब दिन, एक बहुत अच्छी टूर्नामेंट, पूरे टूर्नामेंट में आप बहुत अच्छा बेहतरीन प्रदर्शन करते आए हैं। बोलते हैं हाथ को आया मुंह न लगा वाली सीन हो गई है, बट नॉनदलेस बेस्ट एफर्ट पुट इन। इस वक्त, इस समय आपके मन में क्या चल रहा है?
First of all, I would like to congratulate Team Ocean 11. They have performed extraordinary. So brilliant display of cricket throughout the tournament. So many congratulations to them. And secondly, I would like to thank CRL management. They have hosted such a wonderful tournament. It was pleasure playing in this tournament. I guess it is the first kind of tournament in Mumbai which is totally played on IPL format. You need to play 14 league matches, then qualify eliminator. So you have to perform in all the matches equally good. One bad game and you are out of the tournament. So really hats off to the CRL management. Now coming back to today's final, so we are a little bit disappointed, but I am very proud of my team. So they played a really good cricket throughout the tournament. So at the start of the tournament, nobody was giving us a chance. So it was a very new team. We started from the scratch. So started building a team, believing in all, and everybody, every player performed more than 100%. So we are moving, having our heads high, nothing to disappoint. We are not going to keep our heads down. So it's a very good display of game, and the better team deserved to be the winner. So and Ocean played the better cricket today. So they are the champions.
Ankesh, another question that comes up is NMPL is also going on for edition 2 of this. You being the runner-up for first edition, what would be your strategy or what is your plan to be a successor for the second edition?
We'll keep the things simple. So we'll play the way we are playing our cricket. We are a very good team. If we talk in terms of batting, we have Anush Tiwari at the top of the order. He's an explosive opener, and Abhijit is the backbone of our team. He's a really wonderful cricketer, and he will achieve much more success in cricket as far as I feel. And in bowling department, we have Dr. Vinay Sangle, very experienced player. Vipin, very experienced. And something we have, I would like to mention a special name here, Yash Oswal. So he's a wonderful player, wonderful team man, whether he's playing 11 or not. So he gives his 100%. So he's get a very good team. So we'll keep trying hard, and winning and losing is part and parcel of game. So we'll come back stronger next year.
Thank you so much, Anuj. Enjoy your moment. It was fantastic having you. I would like to call upon the winning team now, all the members of the winning team to receive their winner's medal, one by the other. One after the other, please. Request all the team members, please. A round of applause by the team. I would request everybody to have a round of applause for these guys. Request the Cargill teams for a round of applause for these winners. तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए. All the team members request all the team members to receive their medals. I request upon the captain and all the entire team. I request. Guys, at the podium we have the captain of the winners team, Mukesh. So I request Manoj sir on behalf of the CRL management team to hand over the winners trophy to the winning captain. So Mukesh, how do you feel?
Feeling is always better when we are batting in the middle of the field. But this feels amazing. I mean, the effort that we have put. I mean, our sponsors, Oceanus, I mean, they have backed us really with all the players. They have sponsored us almost like 75% of the tournament. So 3 cheers for them. We also want to thank CRL for providing this wonderful tournament and the opportunity to all the players to come here and perform, especially providing this beautiful ground to play. When I always enter the ground, I see this green grass, and it feels like I'm going to have a wonderful day.
Okay, the point that is brought up over here, it's a thankless job that has been done, but guys, a round of applause for all the groundsmen and the ground caretaker for making such a fantastic facility available. There was rains a couple of days back, but the kind of wicket has been maintained is absolutely fantastic and outstanding. Coming back to the winning point, did you when the total was up there, the bowlers, they were like 6 overs, 50 runs. Cargarals were going really strong. Anuj was on the rise, taking it to you. What was the thought at that point in time?
So basically, our thought process always remained the same, whether we are lagging behind or we are on the back foot or a front foot. So basically, we try to put pressure on every ball. So whether we have gone for a couple of boundaries or whether we have bowled 6 dot balls, the point is we come back next ball harder and make the pressure again feel on the batsman and squeeze the runs and squeeze the total.
So when you were batting, it was the first over you lost the first wicket. It is not considered to be their kind of a thing, you know. You take 8 overs for 50 runs. On the opposite, the Kharghar Hill guys did 50 runs in the first 6 overs. What was the thought process at that point in time when was the moment that you start believing that yes, this is my match, I can win it from here?
My first target to win the match is 10 over 60 runs. So if we get there without a wicket or a couple of wickets, we have won already.
I'm sure that you have come up with such wonderful tournament. You'll probably be the winners. I hope all the very best for your next tournament. Done well. I request the entire team to be on the dais for the presentation. I wish to thank all the viewers online, offline who are present here. I thank the CRL management here. I take this opportunity to conclude this tournament. It was a fantastic platform again. We look forward to you to playing in the NMPL 2, the second edition in the new year 2022. Again, I thank the CRL management, looking forward to the other tournaments that are going to happen here. It was fantastic being here. This is Nilesh.